This is how I built my own custom watercolor palette. First, I purchased these watercolor tins off of Amazon, and I also purchased these little half pans to stick the watercolor in. Next, I got the dot cards from Daniel Smith. It has all 266 of their colors. Other brands have dot cards as well, which is a wonderful resource for building your own personal color palette. And each dot lists the name and the pigment properties so you can explore new shades. So when I first began, I swatched each dot, and because I like my art supplies to be non-toxic in my studio, I looked up the data safety sheets and excluded the colors that reported trace amounts of toxins like cadmium, cobalt, and nickel. And then once I figured out all those and marked them down, I swatched my colors and went through and picked my favorites. And because Daniel paints can be a bit expensive, $18 to $24 a tube in Canadian, I started out with like 6 colors, building my palette as I progressed in my art journey.